Now this is a JVC Google TV right here, and I'm going to show you guys how to download apps onto your TV. Now there are two ways in which you can download apps onto your Google TV right here. Now when you're first presented with your TV and the home screen, you will see a bunch of apps right here which you can navigate to, because this right here is a Google TV and most of the apps is lying around onto this right here. Now you might be wondering, where is the Google Play Store? Now all of this interface right here, because it's a Google TV, most of the apps can download straight from your TV right here. You don't really need a Google Play Store, because all of this interface right here is indeed a Google Play Store itself. Now what you want to do is go into apps right here, and you can search for apps and games. So any specific apps that you're searching for, you can actually click and search. For example, if you're searching for YouTube, for Netflix, and all of those apps, it will present it on this app screen right here for you to download with just one click. Also, you can go down to the app category. So if you specifically know which category apps might in, or you're browsing for some apps for some entertainment, whether it be tools and so forth, you can do that right here. So you can navigate through this right here. If you don't really know the name of the app that you're searching for and just browsing, you can do that right here. So let's say I want to go into productivity. I can see the apps that I can download from productivity, like File Manager and those things. So you're gonna click on that, and then you can just install it right here. Just simple and just easy. And this is just how you download apps on your Google TV. But one thing though, if you're searching for your apps and your app is not present on this right here, what you can do, you can go and enter a web browser. So right here, I have my web browser right here, and you can use any web browser of your preference. This one is already on my Android TV right here. I'm going to click on this, and this way you can access your Google Play Store. So let's say I want to search right now Google Play Store. And when you come to this browser, you can type in Google Play Store. Then you're going to click on search. Now as you can see, I'm presented with the Google Play Store right here, and you can find the app that you're looking for. So as you can see right here, you can see your apps that is already downloaded on this TV right here. So if you navigate through right here, you can see the available apps that you have onto your TV. So hope this video was helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace out.